everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is done in collaboration with Luvme Hair. I love this hair company, y'all. They always have the best packaging. But anyway, they sent me this gorgeous wig to try out for you all today. It is the Wet and Wavy 4x4 closure glueless wig. Luvme Hair has a really great packaging. This wig comes with a wig grip, a wig cap, some labels for the box, of course the card, the wig info on the details and how to install it, and they even included this really cool personalized wig brush. This wig comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it also comes pre-styled. Now I always repart my wigs whenever I get them, just so that the part kind of lines up with the shape of my face better. And again, this is a glueless wig, so it comes with 2 combs in the front. There is 1 comb in the back. There are adjustable straps, and there is also an elastic band. The elastic band on this unit is not adjustable. And even though this unit does come pre-bleached, I still like to go ahead and tint the lace with some of my foundation. I'm using my NARS Creamy Radiant Foundation in the shade Belle M, and just blending that all over the lace. And as you can see, it makes the parting look so much more natural and realistic. It literally looks like scalp. This unit, in terms of installation, is pretty much no different than any other glueless wig. You obviously want to secure it in the back and then slide it forward. But I wanted to show you all what this wig looks like without me styling it, cutting the lace, or doing anything extra to it. As you can see, the lace is invisible. It looks pretty much like scalp. And I have to say that Luvme Hair, for the most part, well, from my personal experience, has really done an amazing job with the bleaching and the plucking on their glueless units. You really do not have to do too much work to make them look natural and seamless. Now, I showed you all what the wig and the curls look like without me styling it. You can wear the wig straight out of the box just like that, but I am going to style this wig. I'm going to play with this wig. I'm going to test the longevity of this wig. That's what Luvme Hair sent me this wig for, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I drenched the wig in water, just using a regular old spray bottle to see what the curls look like wet, and they look absolutely beautiful. And then I set those curls, that sort of wet and wavy pattern, using my hair mousse, and this is what it looks like that way. The curls are still very bouncy, very fresh, very soft. It's not as curly as it was fresh out of the box, but it still has its wet and wavy texture, and I love it. It's beautiful. Alright, and then I let the wig dry overnight because I really don't like using a blow dryer on my wigs. So this is what the wig looks like the next day. Dry it out, and then I decided to brush it out because I want to see how it will hold up being brushed out dry, because y'all know curly hair brushed dry, that's a different look. And you know what? I fell in love. It was giving Diana Ross. The curls were so soft and fluffy and like, whew, it was beautiful. And then once again, I'll show you that I'm still wearing the wig glueless. I haven't glued it down. But yeah, this wig looks so cute when the curls are dried and brushed out. It's very fluffy and gorgeous. Okay, and so Luvme Hair challenged me, y'all. They told me that this wig, even though it's curly, it can be straightened and still retain its curls. So that's exactly what I did. I put it to the test. I straightened about half of the wig, because I'm a little lazy. I straightened as much of the wig as I thought necessary, and I straightened it with my flat iron on 450 degrees. This is what the hair looks like straightened. Again, it's not bone straight because I did it pretty quickly. I was just doing it just to show y'all the difference between the hair being straight and its natural curl pattern. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I did not believe, I had very little faith that this wig would return back to its natural state once it was wet, because I don't have a lot of experience with curly wigs maintaining their curls. It is very difficult to have a curly wig that actually stays curly or doesn't tangle up and start shedding and falling out and all of those things. But this is the second side that was already dried. I went ahead and wet that just for reference, and it went right back to its curl pattern. But the other side, I was scared at first because, as you can see, I was drenching it and it still looked straight. But after a while, I guess the water had to saturate the hair. But baby, the curls came back through, and I was shocked. I was shocked that the curls actually came back through. I was very surprised that I was actually able to straighten this wig on high heat, 450 degrees, and this wig still was able to maintain its curl pattern. Now, I'm not someone who is often impressed by things, but I was thoroughly impressed by this wig. Luvme did an amazing job on this wig. I did add some pink lotion to the hair. I didn't want to add any more mousse because I didn't want it to be like super crunchy. And the pink lotion, I think, really softened the curls and made it more flowy and bouncy. Overall, I think this is a great option for anyone who is new to wigs. It's definitely beginner friendly. You can wear it glueless or you can glue it down. As you can see here, I still have not glued the wig down. It's, and it still looks like scalp. You can wear it in many different styles. You can wear it curly or you can wear it straight. You can wear it dried and brushed out like how I wore it towards the middle of this video. If you were to get a longer version of this wig, mind you, I do have the 14-inch, but you can get it all the way to 20 inches. If you were to get a longer wig, you could possibly wear it in even more styles. So this is a very versatile and beginner friendly wig, and I will highly recommend it. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, all of its lovely details will be down in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you are not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.